In this video, we will discuss building a chord. Let's take a look at major chord, minor chord, diminished chord, diminished seventh chord, augmented chord, dominant seventh chord, and major seventh chord. We will use this formula. R means root, 4 means counting up 4 half steps, and 3 means counting up 3 half steps. Let's start with the C major chord. C is the name of the chord, so let's start on the C key. Count up 4 half steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. We arrive at the E key. And now let's count up 3 half steps. 1, 2, 3. We arrive at the G key. So the chord is C, E, G. Now let's take a look at what 4 means. 4 means you will build a major third. And 3 means you build a minor third. So between the root and the third, you have a major third. And between the third and the fifth, you have a minor third. Let's go to the minor chord. Root plus 3 plus 4. Let's build a C minor chord, starting on the C key. Count up 3. 1, 2, 3. You arrive at the key E flat. And now count up 4 half steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you arrive at the G key. And so the notes of the C minor chord are C, E flat, G. We have a minor third between the root and the third, and a major third between the third and the fifth. Let's move on to the diminished chord. Root plus 3 plus 3. It means that you will have a minor third and a minor third. 2 minors equals diminished. Let's go to the C key. Count up 3 half steps. 1, 2, 3. We arrive at E flat. Another 3 half steps. 1, 2, 3. We arrive at the key G flat. And the notes of the C diminished are C, E flat, G flat. Let's go to the diminished seventh chord. Root plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. All minor thirds. Let's start on the C key. Start on C, count up 3 half steps. 1, 2, 3. We arrive at the key E flat. Count up 3 half steps. 1, 2, 3. We arrive at the G flat key. Count up 3 half steps. 1, 2, 3. Let's discuss this key. It says A key, but we know that the correct spelling for a chord is every other note, C, E, G, B. So we can't call it A. It has to be B double flat. Let's recap. Starting on C, count up 3 half steps. 1, 2, 3, E flat. Another 3 half steps. 1, 2, 3. Another 3 half steps. 1, 2, 3. B double flat. We have created a C diminished seventh chord, root plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, all minor thirds. Let's move on to the augmented chord. Root plus 4 plus 4, all major thirds. Let's build the C augmented, starting on C key. 4 half steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. We arrive at the E key. Count up another 4 half steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. We arrive at G sharp. And so the key notes are C, E, G sharp, C augmented. Dominant 7th chord, root plus 4 plus 3 plus 3. Here we have a major third and then minor third, minor third. Let's build a C7 chord. Count up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We arrive at the E key. Count up 3. 1, 2, 3. G key. Count up 3 half steps. 1, 2, 3. We arrive at the B flat key. The notes are C, E, G, B flat. And let's take a look at the major 7th chord. Root plus 4 plus 3 plus 4. Let's build a C major 7th. Let's take a quick look before we do that, a difference between these two. The C7 doesn't have this capital M. We need the capital M so that we know that from the bottom note to the top note is a major 7th. From this note to this note is a minor 7th. But since it's in the scale, we don't need the minor 7th. It's understood that the dominant 7th chord will be just a 7. Let's build the major 7th chord. Start on C. Count up 4 half steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count up 3 half steps. 1, 2, 3. G note. Count up 4 half steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. The key is B. We have built a chord on C, E, G, B. And that's how you build a chord. Thank you for watching.